Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to use offline Google Maps. So this is how you basically navigate without having any internet connection. This is good for trips in foreign countries where you're not going to have mobile data or just going to have to pay extremely expensive for it. In this case, we're just going to go into Google Maps, select a region that we want to install a map from. So I'm just going to choose in the random city in Colorado, just go into Denver, for example. And then once I'm good with the amount of location I want to have, I'm just going to scroll up, or basically you're going to select Denver and then press more right here, and we're going to choose download offline map. Then we're going to choose what kind of area you want to cover, and then as you can see, the bigger of area I'm going to cover is going to take more space. So I'm just going to choose the city of Denver right here and just press download. Now make sure you're connected to the internet because this uses internet to download it, but then once you're out in the field, for example, traveling, you're not going to be asked to use your internet for this. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.